Public speaking is a skill you get great at with practice. So, welcome to Aduma. I am Shrishti, an early childhood educator. Public speaking is an art. We are all tensed about our kids that they are so underconfident in front of so many people, but they are confident in front of their close ones and the relatives. But as soon as we ask them to speak in front of people, they feel shy, isn't it? So, public speaking is a skill which is needed a lot nowadays. In schools, in front of family, in front of relatives, in front of friends. Public speaking is a skill that is a must. So, a good public speaker is someone who has a lot of confidence and self-esteem. And a good public speaker will have influence on many people. So, here we come with a public speaking course. So, this course will help your children to become a good public speaker and gain confidence in their life. This course is divided into two parts. The first part is for you parents. Parents play an important role in the life of kids, and they can also play a vital role in developing their kid as a good public speaker. So, in the first part of the video, there will be certain key points and principles that you must keep in mind to develop your kid into a good public speaker. So, this part parents will help you to encourage your child, motivate your child and give your child a right direction to become a good public speaker. Then the second part of the video is for the kids. Here we will discuss about different principles and patterns of good public speaker. By this video, your kid will be able to understand what a good public speaker is and follow the right path to become a good public speaker. And also it will help them boost their confidence and face their anxieties in front of so many people, and it will lower down their nervousness. And okay, wait parents, here I have an additional tip for you. In this digital world where every kid is a pro in using digital smartphones, televisions and laptops, you can introduce one thing that will help you and your child to become a good public speaker. You can start recording them. Trust me, it will work. Start recording what they are saying. Also, it will keep them entertained and it will also help them learn what they are saying, how they are saying and how they are speaking it. And it will help them give them a feedback by themselves. Our young learners will surely become a great speaker one day. So, let's start their journey.